Welcome to Bobela Fanatics, and I'm your host, Mogale Trevin Bobela Stadium, to witness the Betway Premiership clash between Orlando Pirates and Orbit College. Again, we're going to continue the scoreline of 2-0 in favor of Orlando Pirates, seeing them being crowned the Betway Premiership 2025-2026 winners. And now I'm with Mamelodi Sundowns fan. Hey, but football can kill you. Real death. Pain is landing. I land, man.
I somewhere because me 8 times in a row and not stress.
Sure.
Yeah, I won is a Pirates. You win is a champion. Betway Premiership.
Sure.
Yeah, I won is a football Angnamona.
Yeah.
Meaning it next season.
Sure.
As Divine Pirates is a champion.
Yeah.
It's one of the champions of the Quebec League. I mean, upinde futhi ngibongisa abafana bami ukuthi kusasa bangibelele star.
Sure.
Nami ngizokhona ukubana something.
Yeah.
Season yakho engana lutho mfowethu akusimnandi. Lasikhuluma nje iqiniso zakho khona mnandi. At least nababuya something kuzoba ngcono. Sibone ukuthi next year iBetway nayo sidila kanjani nayo next year ngoba vele sihlulekile. Kubuqamba mangisihlulekile. Ama game wethu oyi3 ila sihluleke khona.
Yeah.
Ubuke game vele eRichards Bay lasiqale khona. Yeah. Dokumele at least ku Richards Bay siwine. If besifuna ukuwina ileague siyabuya ku Stellenbosch ngizodraw futhi ekhaya ngikore uqala kodwa uyayibona le siphinda futhi sidropa ini another points siyabuya futhi Jazz Galaxy last week uphinda futhi uzodliwa at least kibe kuthiwa lana siwinile noma sidlala idraw ngabe sikhuluma okunye uyayibona le mara sihlulekile ukwenza lento le which means vele bengasiyona season yethu asibonga ukuthi bekwisizini yamabhakaniya ngiyawubongisa ukuthi ayithathile league but it is what it is kodwa mina enye into futhi ngiphila ngiba surprised la
Sure.
i-team yase Rustenburg
Yeah.
ithatha igame izoyiletha eMpumalanga for what?
Why, man?
For what?
Kwenzakalani?
I-home ground yayo ngiyiphi kanti ihlule uthola iground eliseduzane nayo kube ngitrela iground izoyithatha lethe eMpumalanga which means ungayibuka nawe ukuthi ungathi khona kungahambi kahle
Yini lekuyile engahambi kahle nto.
yabona ngizokutshela enye iqiniso
Sure.
yabona imali iyasebenza
Hayi man.
imali iyasebenza
Sure.
and vele ke ungene eshop umfo uphumele something ungakhiphanga imali yabona imali iyasebenza but noma ungayapi yelo yokuthenga akufuna ukutshela abafundi lana konke bekuprepare already bawazi ukuthi iPirates vele champion next thing njengamanje asithi iPirates if ibedliwe la or bedrowile la lezi nto zonke la matafula lonke lapha baprepare la ukuzokwenzekani kusandalo kube kutholi kwini ngoba vele already bezokuprepariwe la bekuyi-obvious ukuthi vele obvious iPirates iyathatha league
Sure.
uyabona ukuthi le nto le ihamba ngakuphi khona ukuhamba ngale ngasese but anyway it is what it is ngiyayibongisa iPirates ithathile league
Thank you, Ndura.